Shorty fell low, now she doing all my drugs, young baby in the club, like lil' mama in my eyesight. She go home with me tonight, we connect like Wi-Fi, yeah.
Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Voicemod Pro cracked. This is, I've been trying this for a long time, but it hasn't been working, and finally one of my friends passed me the file for it, and it works. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to download that today. This is working today. It is 7/27/2020, and it is 12:30 p.m. So, let's get straight into it. So, the first thing I'm going to do is I have a Mediafire link that I'll have in the description, so you can just go right there. Okay, now it's done, so I'm just going to put this right onto my desktop. Okay, so now we got the extracted folder. It says Voicemod Pro cracked by OSRCS. And then you've got this. So, the first thing you're gonna want to do is just use this Voicemod setup.exe. This is just like normal. You won't have Pro if you download this, but I'll show you how to get that in a second. Okay, now, this is very important. You're gonna want to untick this box that says Launch Voicemod, because if you do, it might mess up the process. It might not, but just untick that. Okay, so now you're gonna head into this folder, and you're gonna have another folder called lib, and you're gonna have a DLL in there, and you're gonna have this. You're not gonna want to launch either of these. What you're gonna want to do is right click on Voicemod and hit open file location. Now you're gonna want to get this stuff, so you do that, and then Control X, or yeah, Control X, and then you're gonna go in here, if it comes up someday. Okay, right here, and then Control V, and you're gonna replace these. Okay, now that that's done, in theory, we should have Voicemod Pro. So let's try it out. Okay, so now you're gonna just set it to whatever you want. So your main microphone and your headphones. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I had to relaunch my Streamlabs because the input changed. Okay, so here it says setup air. So you're gonna want to hit your settings, and you're gonna want to go to your normal headphones, which should show up as speakers, and you're gonna hit that as set as default. And your speakers for that, don't worry about that. Okay, so that's good. Alright, so you're gonna want to see that. And now look at that. Voicemod Pro. I'm not gonna click any of these because they're annoying as hell. Basically, all you're gonna want it for is all of your sounds on your soundboard. So that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.